Hey everyone, we got a new package. I'm super excited. This is something that I was waiting for. It's been a couple of weeks, and finally received some parts to continue with the NR200 project with the Savage. So we got finally have a starter with a little push button. It's super cool, and let's open the box and I'll show you is inside. Hope you can see things. Oh, hello Dennis. Little pictures of oh yes, go boost. And for those of you who may not know Dennis Dempsey, this guy is doing a super great job, and yeah. Oh, little bag of parts. We have what we have in there. So clutch for the NR. This one would be for a boat project or something. Wheel plugs. This is kind of cool. Look how tiny this is. This is the little oil filter for the engine that is in the box, which is the Precision L475. The little flathead engine. Super cool. Okay. I think the box is empty. We'll have a look inside the box itself. I'm not sure if the ignition system and all of that is inside the box, but I'm pretty sure to have ordered these parts. So look at that. This is super cool. A little tiny turbo. Well, this is super awesome. Gonna get a close shot. This is nice. So I am number 54 of 100 set. This is the manual. Couple details. The engine. On camera, it's hard to figure how small this is, and it's super small. It is. I mean, it is very small. So the valves are numbers. Look. This is super small. I like that. Now, how am I supposed to this? Oh. Oh wow. have lots of parts. This engines need to be assembled by yourself, and I'm not going to do this in the video right now. I just wanted to unveil what was my next upcoming project, which is going to be something. I'm not sure exactly what, but we'll use this engine and we'll try to figure how to make it start. Maybe it's down the bottom, or I don't know. Right now, kind of searching for an ignition system or something. We have a gasket, fuel tubing, or oil line maybe. Well, this should be oil line probably. A bag with all the seals, gaskets, and there should be little tiny rings inside. Another little crate with all the numbers, and wow, look at this, how tiny is this little intake manifold. This is sweet. It looks awesome. That exhaust, this is 3D printed parts, aluminum 3D printed parts. Pretty sure it is, just by the look of the parts. This is not some casting. This is cool. This is super cool. I mean, look how small this is. Like a little flathead, like Ford used to build back in the days. This is crazy. Okay. We have a tiny starter. Down the bottom, I don't see anything else in there. But let's pull this out anyway, or at least try. Okay. We have the flywheel, starter ring gear, some sort of cover. This is the tiny cover, or the valve, I think. Yeah, I will have to go through all of this, build the engine, and figure out how to make it work, because there's so many parts. Well, I should be able to do this fairly easy. It looks nice. I will probably start building a thing like today, and as soon as I got the engine starting and running, I mean, wow, this is cool. Yep, can't wait to hear this thing's running and put it into something to make it useful. And I was thinking of maybe, I don't know, we'll see. So until the next one, see you, gang.